Welcome to our guide on how to cook healthy meals on a budget. Eating well doesn't have to break the bank, and with a few smart strategies, you can enjoy nutritious, delicious food every day. In this video, we'll walk you through practical tips, meal planning ideas, and budget-friendly recipes that make healthy eating accessible for everyone. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or simply looking to save money while maintaining a balanced diet, these tips will help you get started. Let's dive in and discover how easy and affordable healthy cooking can be. Before we get into the how-to, let's talk about why healthy eating matters. Nutritious meals provide your body with the energy and nutrients it needs to function at its best. Eating a balanced diet can boost your mood, improve your concentration, and help prevent chronic diseases. Plus, cooking at home gives you control over ingredients, portion sizes, and overall quality. And the best part? You don't need expensive superfoods or fancy gadgets to eat well. With some planning and creativity, healthy eating is within everyone's reach. The first step to cooking healthy meals on a budget is knowing how much you can spend. Take a look at your monthly income and expenses, then decide on a realistic amount for groceries. Remember, you don't need to spend a fortune to eat well. Setting a budget helps you make smarter choices at the store and avoid impulse buys. Track your spending for a few weeks to see where your money goes and adjust as needed. This way, you'll have a clear idea of what you can afford and how to plan your meals accordingly. Meal planning is a game changer when it comes to saving money and eating healthy. Start by deciding what you want to eat for the week. Make a list of recipes that use similar ingredients to minimize waste. Planning ahead helps you avoid last-minute takeout and ensures you have everything you need on hand. It also allows you to take advantage of sales and seasonal produce. With a solid meal plan, you'll spend less time and money at the store and more time enjoying delicious, home-cooked meals. Once you've planned your meals, it's time to make a shopping list. Write down everything you need for the week, organized by category: produce, grains, proteins, and so on. Sticking to your list helps you avoid impulse purchases and keeps you focused on your budget. Check your pantry and fridge before you shop to avoid buying duplicates. A well-prepared list saves time at the store and ensures you have all the ingredients for your healthy meals. Shopping smart is key to staying within your budget. Look for sales, discounts, and coupons on healthy staples like whole grains, beans, and frozen vegetables. Buy store brands instead of name brands. They're often just as good and much cheaper. Shop the perimeter of the store for fresh produce, dairy, and proteins, and avoid the processed foods in the middle aisles. Don't shop when you're hungry, as this can lead to unnecessary purchases. With these strategies, you'll get the most value for your money. Buying in bulk can save you a lot of money, especially on items like rice, oats, beans, and lentils. These foods are not only affordable, but also nutritious and versatile. When you buy larger quantities, the price per unit is usually lower. Store bulk items in airtight containers to keep them fresh. Just be sure to only buy what you'll use to avoid waste. Bulk shopping is a great way to stock your pantry with healthy staples that form the foundation of many meals. Whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, are often less expensive and more nutritious than processed foods. They're also more filling, which means you'll eat less and feel satisfied longer. Focus on buying ingredients in their natural state. Think whole carrots instead of baby carrots, or a block of cheese instead of pre-shredded. Preparing whole foods yourself takes a little more time, but the savings and health benefits are worth it. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are usually fresher, tastier, and more affordable than out-of-season options. Check what's in season in your area and plan your meals around those ingredients. Farmers markets and local stores often have great deals on seasonal produce. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy a variety of flavors throughout the year. Eating seasonally is a delicious way to keep your meals interesting and budget-friendly. Frozen and canned fruits and vegetables are convenient, nutritious, and often less expensive than fresh. They're picked at peak ripeness and preserved quickly, so they retain most of their nutrients. Look for options without added sugar or salt. Having frozen or canned produce on hand means you can whip up healthy meals even when fresh options aren't available. They're perfect for soups, stews, and stir-fries, making healthy eating easy and affordable year-round. Batch cooking is a fantastic way to save time and money. Prepare large portions of meals like soups, stews, or casseroles and store leftovers in the fridge or freezer. This approach means you always have a healthy meal ready to go, reducing the temptation to order takeout. Batch cooking also allows you to buy ingredients in larger, more cost-effective quantities. With a little planning, you can enjoy home-cooked meals all week long with minimal effort. Don't let leftovers go to waste. Get creative and turn yesterday's dinner into today's lunch. For example, roasted vegetables can be added to salads or wraps, and cooked grains can become the base for a new stir-fry. Repurposing leftovers not only saves money, but also reduces food waste. With a little imagination, you can create new, tasty meals from what you already have in your fridge. Processed foods are often more expensive and less nutritious than whole foods. They can also contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and excess sodium. By limiting processed foods and focusing on simple, whole ingredients, you'll save money and improve your health. Cooking from scratch might take a bit more time, but the benefits for your wallet and well-being are significant. Simple recipes with a few ingredients are often the most budget-friendly and healthy. Focus on dishes that highlight whole grains, vegetables, and lean proteins. Think stir-fries, grain bowls, or hearty soups. These meals are easy to prepare, require minimal equipment, and can be customized with whatever you have on hand. Keeping things simple makes healthy cooking less overwhelming and more enjoyable. Having a well-stocked pantry makes it easier to cook healthy meals anytime. Keep staples like rice, pasta, oats, canned beans, and spices on hand. These ingredients are affordable, versatile, and form the base of countless recipes. When you see these items on sale, buy a little extra to save money in the long run. With a stocked pantry, you'll always have the basics for a nutritious meal. Protein is essential for a healthy diet, but it doesn't have to be expensive. Beans, lentils, eggs, and canned fish are all affordable sources of protein. Incorporate these into your meals to save money while still meeting your nutritional needs. Try making chili with beans, lentil soup, or scrambled eggs with vegetables. These options are not only budget-friendly, but also delicious and satisfying. Fresh herbs add flavor and nutrition to your meals, but buying them can get expensive. Consider growing your own herbs at home, even if you only have a small windowsill. Basil, parsley, and cilantro are easy to grow and require minimal care. Having fresh herbs on hand means you can add a burst of flavor to any dish without spending extra money at the store. Beverages like soda, juice, and specialty coffees can quickly eat into your food budget. Water is the healthiest and most affordable drink option. Carry a reusable water bottle with you to stay hydrated throughout the day. If you want to add some flavor, try infusing your water with fresh fruit or herbs. Choosing water over sugary drinks saves money and supports your overall health. Food waste is not only bad for the environment, but also for your wallet. Plan your meals to use up perishable items before they spoil. Store leftovers properly, and freeze what you can't eat right away. Get creative with odds and ends. Vegetable scraps can be used for homemade broth, and stale bread can become croutons. Reducing food waste means you get the most value from every dollar you spend. Eating out or ordering takeout can quickly add up. Cooking at home is almost always cheaper and gives you full control over what goes into your meals. Even simple dishes like stir-fries, salads, or pasta can be made quickly and for a fraction of the cost of restaurant meals. The more you cook at home, the more confident and skilled you'll become in the kitchen. Meat is often the most expensive part of a meal. Try incorporating more meatless dishes into your weekly routine. Meals based on beans, lentils, tofu, or eggs are not only affordable, but also packed with nutrients. Experiment with vegetarian recipes like vegetable stir-fries, bean chili, or lentil curry. Going meatless even a few times a week can make a big difference in your grocery bill. Spices are an affordable way to add depth and excitement to your meals without extra calories or cost. A small investment in basic spices like cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and chili flakes can transform simple dishes into flavorful creations. Experiment with different spice combinations to keep your meals interesting and satisfying. Prepping ingredients in advance saves time and makes it easier to stick to healthy eating. Wash and chop vegetables, cook grains, or marinate proteins ahead of time. Store prepped ingredients in clear containers so you can quickly assemble meals during the week. This simple habit helps you avoid the temptation of takeout when you're short on time. You don't need fancy gadgets to cook healthy meals, but a few basic tools can make a big difference. Invest in a good knife, cutting board, pots, and pans. These essentials will help you prepare a wide variety of dishes efficiently. Take care of your tools, and they'll last for years, saving you money in the long run. Learning a few basic cooking techniques can help you make the most of affordable ingredients. Skills like sautéing, roasting, and boiling open up a world of healthy meal options. There are plenty of free resources online to help you build your confidence in the kitchen. The more you practice, the easier and more enjoyable cooking will become. One-pot meals are a lifesaver for busy people on a budget. Dishes like stews, curries, and casseroles require minimal cleanup and make the most of affordable ingredients. You can easily adjust recipes based on what you have at home. One-pot meals are perfect for batch cooking and freezing leftovers for later. Grains like rice, oats, barley, and quinoa are nutritious, filling, and budget-friendly. They can be used as the base for a variety of meals, from breakfast porridge to grain bowls and salads. Buy grains in bulk for extra savings, and experiment with different types to keep your meals interesting. Store-bought snacks can be expensive and often contain unhealthy ingredients. Making your own snacks at home is cheaper and allows you to control what goes in them. Try making popcorn, trail mix, or homemade granola bars. These snacks are easy to prepare in batches and are perfect for on-the-go eating. Freezing extra portions of meals is a great way to save time and reduce waste. When you cook in batches, freeze individual servings for quick lunches or dinners later. Label containers with the date and contents for easy organization. Having healthy meals ready in the freezer means you're less likely to rely on expensive takeout when you're busy. Discount stores and local markets can offer great deals on fresh produce, grains, and pantry staples. Don't overlook these options when shopping on a budget. Compare prices and quality, and stock up on affordable essentials when you find a good deal. Shopping at different stores can help you stretch your food budget further. Take advantage of coupons, loyalty programs, and grocery apps to save money on healthy foods. Many stores offer digital coupons and weekly deals that can be accessed from your phone. Plan your shopping trips around these discounts to maximize your savings. Every little bit adds up over time. Plant-based meals are often more affordable and just as nutritious as those centered around meat. Focus on vegetables, beans, grains, and legumes to create filling and delicious dishes. Plant-based eating is not only good for your wallet, but also for your health and the environment. Sometimes you end up with small amounts of ingredients left over from other recipes. Don't let them go to waste. Combine leftover vegetables, grains, or proteins into a stir-fry, omelet, or soup. Mixing and matching what you have on hand is a creative way to save money and reduce waste. Many international cuisines feature healthy, budget-friendly dishes based on affordable ingredients like rice, beans, and vegetables. Explore recipes from cultures around the world to add variety to your meals without spending a lot. Dishes like stir-fries, curries, and stews are delicious, filling, and easy to make at home. Eating the right portion sizes helps you stretch your food budget and avoid overeating. Use smaller plates, measure servings, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Portion control ensures your meals last longer and helps you maintain a healthy weight. Breakfast foods like oatmeal, eggs, and smoothies are affordable and easy to make at home. Skip expensive coffee shop breakfasts and prepare your own for a fraction of the cost. Homemade breakfasts are healthier, customizable, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Bringing your lunch to work or school is a simple way to save money and eat healthier. Prepare extra portions at dinner or make easy-to-pack meals like salads, wraps, or grain bowls. Packing your lunch gives you control over ingredients and portion sizes and helps you avoid the temptation of pricey takeout. Before you shop for more groceries, check your pantry, fridge, and freezer for items you already have. Plan meals around these ingredients to minimize waste and save money. Using up what you have on hand is a smart way to keep your food budget in check. Store-bought sauces and dressings can be pricey and often contain added sugars or preservatives. Making your own at home is easy, affordable, and healthier. Simple vinaigrettes, yogurt-based dressings, or homemade tomato sauce can elevate your meals without breaking the bank. Sugary snacks and desserts can be expensive and offer little nutritional value. Limit these treats and focus on naturally sweet foods like fruit. When you do want dessert, try making simple homemade options like baked apples or yogurt parfaits. This approach saves money and supports your health goals. Cooking together as a family is a fun way to teach kids about healthy eating and budgeting. Assign age-appropriate tasks and let everyone help with meal prep. Involving the whole family makes mealtime more enjoyable and encourages everyone to try new foods. Keeping your kitchen organized helps you make the most of your food and avoid waste. Store ingredients in clear containers, label leftovers, and keep your pantry tidy. An organized kitchen makes meal planning and cooking easier, saving you time and money in the long run. Making changes to your eating habits and budget takes time. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each healthy meal you cook at home is a step toward better health and financial well-being. Recognize your efforts and keep building on your success. Cooking healthy meals on a budget is absolutely possible with a little planning and creativity. By shopping smart, making use of affordable ingredients, and minimizing waste, you can enjoy nutritious, delicious food every day. Remember, small changes add up over time. Keep experimenting, stay positive, and enjoy the journey to healthier, budget-friendly eating. Thank you for joining us on this journey to cook healthy meals on a budget. With these tips and strategies, you're well equipped to make nutritious choices without overspending. Remember, healthy eating is a lifelong habit that benefits your body, mind, and wallet. Keep learning, stay inspired, and enjoy every meal you create. Happy cooking!